I still remember that night. The air was so heavy.
Charlie, if you chop kinky finish, then you go down small before sleep.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Maintenant, nous allons continuer en français.
The voices you just heard were all generated with Google AI Studio Text-to-Speech. Best part is that it is free, more natural than 11 Labs and the likes, and in this video, I'll show you how you too can
Alright guys, getting started, head over to your browser and search for Google AI Studio. You are going to see a whole list of options that comes out. You can see this very one that says Google AI Studio, this very one. Just tap on it. So when you tap on it, as a new beginner, you're going to accept the terms and conditions and everything. Just accept that. You can see how it looks like. This is how the interface looks like. You can see this very top here. So what we have to do is just to create speech from our text. So in case you are using your mobile phone, this is how the interface is going to look. So in case you want to still put it in desktop mode while using your mobile phone, just tap on this three dots and then you're going to see where it writes desktop layout. Tap on that and it will get switched from mobile phone layout to desktop layout. You get, so this is how it's now looking from our mobile phone. So guys, since we have changed this to desktop layout so that we can see the features very well, so for us to change our text to speech, this place that says what's new, you need to scroll through the tabs right here. Just scroll through the tabs and you're going to see where it writes native speech generation, generate high quality text to speech with Gemini. So I'm going to tap on that. I've tapped on that. This is now our speech generating interface. So for this text to speech generating phase, you're going to see two modes right here: single speaker audio and multi-speaker audio. So it's currently on multi-speaker. I'm going to switch it to single speaker audio. So let me switch it to single speaker audio. For the single speaker audio, what it means is that just one character, just one voice, just one person will be speaking from our text. While multi-speaker audio, there would be two speakers, speaker A, speaker B, as if they are dialoguing or having a conversation. I'm going to first of all paste in my text prompt, which I copied from ChatGPT. So as you can see, this is my text prompt. So this is my text prompt right here. So style instruction. For the style instruction, depending on how your text is, if your text is like what you want your text to be or what you want your speech to be, if it is in a happy, friendly, warm note, you have to indicate that. So for my style instruction, I wrote narrate sadly. It's going to be narrating his or her ordeal in a sad way or in a sad note. You get me? So depending on your text prompt, that's what is going to kind of determine what you're going to put or type in your style instructions. So this has been settled. So let's go to this right hand side. There are two models in this very place. You can see this very place that has Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS. There are two models. So if I tap on this drop down arrow, you're going to see two models right here. You can see Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS and you can see Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. Guys, we're going to be using two of them. Like I'm going to generate my speech using this Gemini Pro, and I'm also going to generate my speech using this Gemini 2.5. Let me kind of compare and know the one that is okay. This Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS is actually the best, like it's okay, you get, but I'm still going to generate it, two of them, and you're going to see the outcome. So let's first of all generate Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS. So I'm going to tap on that. So once that has been tapped, at this mode section is already selected as single speaker audio, so that one is already okay. For this model settings, I don't even touch that one. So the only place I then change is the voice. So I'm going to tap on this drop down arrow right here. Scroll through. I'm sure there are up to like 20 or even 30 voices right here. So just play any of them and see how they sound and know the one you want to use. So guys, I have picked this very first one. I can't really pronounce the name, but this is what it is a female voice. So once I have picked everything and I'm okay with everything, go ahead and tap on run. So this is currently running. As you can see, if you tap on stop, it will just stop running. You can see right here, this is our voice. This is the voice I generated. So I'm going to play it because I lip synced it into a photo. So I'm going to play it so that you guys are going to hear how it sounds.
I still remember that night. The air was so heavy, like it carried secrets no one dared to say aloud. I tried to be brave, but you know me. I've never been good at hiding fear.
So since you're okay with the voice, at this very three dots, I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to tap on download. So when you tap on download, you can see right here, this will eventually get downloaded into your mobile phone or your device. You can see how the speech we generated using the Gemini 2.5 Pro, how it sounded. So let's try and switch it up to Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. Let me see how it's still going to work. I'm still using the same thing, the same voice and everything.
I still remember that night. The air was so heavy, like it carried secrets no one dared to say aloud.
For you to do this, actually, still on this native speech generation, you can see that it's already on single speaker audio. We're still on the single speaker audio. So for the model I'll be using Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS. Then for my text, which is a multilingual text, which I want to convert to speech, I'm going to paste that in. In this text, there is English text in this, there is French text in this, I think there is also Spanish text in this, and also there is Nigerian Yoruba text in this. So for the style of instruction, I'm going to leave it at read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. Because guys, I have picked the voice I want to use. So you're going to see how this Google AI Studio is going to convert this my multilingual text or script into a speech, and it's going to maintain or pronounce all of them naturally. So I'm going to tap on run.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Maintenant, nous allons continuer en français. Después, hablaremos un poco en español. Ekuojo, kaabo si ekowa ni Yoruba.
There is something called accent testing. With Google AI Studio, you can type a text in a different language or dialect and it will be pronounced naturally with the right accent. For you to do this, still on this very place, for the text, I have an Hausa language right here. This is my text script, which is in Hausa. The style, I'm going to put it as conversational and friendly. This is my style instruction, conversational and friendly. And this very place right here is my test script, which is in Hausa. So guys, I have picked the voice which I want to use for this. So what I'm going to do next is to tap on run and see what it gives me.
Sannu, yaya kake? Muna farin cikin kasancewa tare da ku a yau. Rayuwa tana da kyau idan muna aiki tare da juna. Ka kasance tare da mu don koyo da nishadi.
Chale, if you chop kinke finish, then you go down small before sleep. No be every day we dey work hard. Sometimes we for just chill. Tomorrow we go try again, but tonight we go laugh and enjoy.
Lastly, let's try the multi-speaker audio, which is a feature that lets you create conversation with different voices, right? So you can see it. in this mode is already in multi-speaker audio. So this is how the multi-speaker audio is looking. So at this center, this is where I'm going to put in the different text which each speaker is saying. So you can just have 2 speakers. You can't have up to 3 speakers, just 2 speakers. In case you want to still add another dialogue for another set of speakers, at this very place that says add dialogue, you're going to tap on that, and you can see it has started adding another dialogue for speaker 1. So I'm just going to delete this because I just need these 2. This very place is for me to put in my text, while this place is for me to put in like the name of speaker 1, just to be able to identify them, and also to put in the voice. That's just for this very part. So this speaker 1, I'm going to be putting in my text prompt. First speaker, I'm going to put in my text which I want to convert to speech. You can see where I write start typing dialogue here. You have to type in your dialogue or the text. So this is the first text for this first speaker. Then for the second speaker, I'm going to delete what is here and put in my own text. Put in the text which I want to convert to speech for my speaker 1 and speaker 2. For the start instruction, I went ahead to say read aloud in a warm, welcoming tone. That should be it. Then for this very place at my right, I need to put in the name of speaker 1. So speaker 1 is AI with Fumzi. For the voice which I want to use for AI with Fumzi, I'm going to use a female voice. So for speaker 2, I'm going to name it as guest. Then I'm going to add a male voice. So guys, you need to know that when putting in your text which you want to convert to speech in the multi-speaker audio, for this very place right here, this very place that I placed in my text, for the speaker 1, you need to remove the speaker 1 that is showing there. In case that's what is showing, just put in the name. You can see that for my speaker 1, this is the name for it. Then for my speaker 2, this is the name for it. So at this center, at this very place, for speaker 1, put in the name which is here. So I'm going to put in the name, because if you don't do that, you're going to see something like this that is showing you that you are doing something wrong. So for speaker 1, I'm going to change the name to AI with Fumzi. So guys, you can see it for the speaker 1. I have changed it to AI with Fumzi. So this is the thing, or so this is the text which AI with Fumzi is going to say. Then for speaker 2, I'm going to change it to guest, which is the name of the speaker 2. This has now been arranged properly. So once this has been done, make sure you have put in the voices you want. Then after everything, tap on run.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to AI with Fumzi Live. Today, I'm joined by a special guest.
Thank you, Fumzi. I'm really glad to be here on your live show.
So guys, you can see the results we got for this. So if this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing, click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop new updates, new AI tutorials, you'll be the first person to get it. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.